how it became to be. When you go there, because you will be reading right there, written in stone. Wala ina sa arkitekto, wala ina sa engineer. Ang nakita ninyo, fruit na ina sa tree. Vision. Damo na kapamangkot, ano yan, abogado, ano yan natabo, ang abogado na kapanundon sila. Well, I cannot even explain myself. I started it in 2005 when I was not here still. I was not here in provincial capital. I started in 2005 and surprisingly I finished it in 2006. That is why our family, myself, is also surprised because it was made easy. Now, your experience tomorrow will be additional testimonials that whatever you feel, whatever vibration or energy that you will feel when you go up, that is only for you and for you alone. There are so many questions. Did I gather these testimonials? Never, because I don't want myself to be the one telling, that the people who visit the place will be the one telling, and you might be another group of people who will be telling your testimonials on what will happen to you. So that's a glimpse of what you're going to see tomorrow. So never fail. At 4 o'clock or 3 o'clock, the provincial bus will be here in front of the Capitol. It will be waiting for you, and it will leave at about 4 o'clock, and that's only a 25 or 30-minute ride. And I will be there. I will be there ahead waiting for you. I will try to make arrangement with our parish priest to borrow Father Joel, kinahanglan, ang mga gamit sa misa kay hambal ni Father Joel. Basi kuno ko makaulang kay dito na lang sa misa. Misahan nila kita. So, just another background, during the convention, national convention of the Association of Tourist Officers of the entire Philippines, 7 buses also went there to visit that place. Last week, as I was saying, 5 buses went there also. And I don't know why they have chosen the place. And even you, organizers, I don't know also why you have chosen the place. What I would say is that I cannot understand. So, tomorrow, 4 o'clock, you start from the Capitol, go there, and then I'll be waiting for you. Hopefully, I can borrow the gamit para sa bus, para makamisa nato ng classmate. And then after that, balik kita, kaya importante ang grand affair sa balay ni Tawid Bilyones. Now, tawid siguro yung anay ang balon kung sa diin pagkanto ang imong balay, kaya mo na pamangkot sa akon. Kung sa diin maagi ang hambal ko, basta sumunod ka na sa akon, kung pinaka-palasyo nila, kay tawid na. Tawid ito, sa diin, sino katuntol sa balay ni Tawid?
Right side. Sa back.
Tawid, please come over.